The Cass Scenic Railroad, located in Cass, West Virginia, is home to one of the largest collections of old logging equipment around, including several different geared steam locomotives. Originally, the site was home to the West Virginia Pulp and Paper Company, which ran an extensive logging operation using geared Shay-type locomotives to bring timber to the mill at Cass. From 1901 to 1942, West Virginia Pulp and Paper operated the logging railroad and mill. It was then sold to the Mauer Lumber Company, which continued the business until 1960, when the railroad and lumber mill were sold for scrap. Ultimately, the railroad was saved by the state of West Virginia and reopened as the Cass Scenic Railroad in 1963. Since then, thousands of guests have been taken on train rides up the mountain by one of the railroad's several restored steam logging locomotives. In 2019, the railroad completed a near 20-year-long project to restore one of the most unique logging locomotives in their collection, the Moore and Keppel Company No. 6. The No. 6 was built in 1919 as a Type C 3-truck Climax at the Climax Locomotive Works plant in Corry, Pennsylvania. After nearly 40 years of service on the Moore and Keppel, No. 6 was retired. It was sold to the state of West Virginia and sent to the then-new Cass Scenic Railroad in 1970. After sitting for several years, the No. 6 finally got its turn in the shop. Many parts were missing and needed to either be sourced or fabricated new. When finally completed, the locomotive looked as good as it did the day it rolled out of the factory in 1919. The railroad made the decision to renumber the locomotive as their No. 9, as there already was a locomotive No. 6 in service at Cass. Following the restoration, the Railroad and Trains magazine put on a 2-day-long photography event on November 2nd and November 3rd, 2019. Climax No. 9 was accompanied by Cass Scenic Railroad No. 5. The 5 is a 3-truck Shay-type locomotive built by the Lima Locomotive Works in November of 1905. It is the oldest operating Shay locomotive in the world and has spent the entirety of its existence at Cass. The combination of these two historic locomotives and the late fall foliage made for some spectacular photo and video opportunities. Let's take a visit to Cass, West Virginia and the Cass Scenic Railroad. Thanks for joining me for this look at West Virginia logging railroad history. For more information on the Cass Scenic Railroad, please visit mountainrailwv.com. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by leaving a like and a comment below. For regular post and video upload notifications, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. Be sure to check out some of my other social media pages if you'd like to see even more train and railroad related content. And remember, every Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Time, there's an all-new railroading adventure headed your way right here on the YouTube channel. That's it for now. Until next time, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'll see you down the line. Thanks for watching.